Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle touchpads on HP ELITEBOOK 846. So if you have access to your touchpad or your external mouse, then it will be much easier for you to complete this operation. But if you don't have access to neither of these, then press Windows button once to open the start menu, then press Tab to start navigating between the options, and navigate here using your arrow keys. Navigate to settings and press enter to confirm, then press Tab once more and use a down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices. Then press Tab button 5 more times until you reach the devices section, and use down arrow key to navigate to touchpad. Once you have the touchpad selected, press enter. And now to toggle your touchpad, you have to press the space bar, which will turn your device either off or on. And this is how you toggle your touchpad on this laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.